Hey there, quick review on these mouse traps. These are a much better value than your typical mouse trap because they're much easier to set. They don't have that rod that's got to swing over and be set just right. To set these, all you're going to do is pull this down and it's going to lock into place and it's ready to go. Absolute piece of cake. Here's a closer view. You'll notice this piece right here. Whenever we fold this down, it'll automatically click into place. It catches this rear rod. So now the trap is set. Set this down here. Your bait will go up here. The mouse needs to get up further enough on the trap to get the bait that this rod catches it, like so. Works really well. The other nice thing with this trap is everything is connected so that when you want to actually release the mouse, you just get your fingers up here on this top portion and it'll release. And just to demonstrate again, setting the trap, pushing that forward. It's very easy to keep your hands away the whole time. And then the mouse goes up and gets caught. So works really well. I'd recommend these. Overall, I find these traps to be a better value than your typical mouse trap. They're extremely easy to set. Good quality plastic. The spring is very strong. And whenever you want to actually release the mouse after you've set the trap, it's very easy to do so simply by pushing this rear rod up because everything's connected. Excellent value overall. I'd recommend these.